Some 10-pound maybe? Yeah. What am I supposed to have? Some 20? 50? Really? Yeah. Really? I've got like 12 on that. I've never had it. Oh man. He's over here by the rocks. We gotta get him out of here. Alright. Yeah, thank you. It's down there right by you. Feels like, oh, now he's out here. Yeah. I mean, this could be a 4-pound fish. Who knows? I'm just getting, you know, I'd rather start with a light drag than have him snap me off. You know what I mean? No, it's pulling pretty good. It's pulling pretty good for sure. I told you they come in with them bubbles. Do you see the bubbles come in? They come in with them. Okay, he's getting tired. I'm gonna bring him in a little bit here. Let's see, we got a net right here. Dude, he hit it on the fall, dude. I stop reeling every 5 or 6 seconds, you know? And just let it fall and they nab it right there. I hope so, man. I'm not sure if I've caught a Chinook. A lot of cohos. It seems like, uh-oh. Yeah. I thought I was catching Chinook for years and found out they were all a bunch of coho. I didn't know how to identify them, you know? Let's go. These rocks are treacherous out here. This guy, dude, he's fun. He's all over the place. Yeah, usually those coho on that other pole, I just kind of horse them in, you know? They just come right in. This guy, he's got some shoulders.
The way I look at it,
Yeah, look at that thing's like 4 pounds, dude. Yeah. Well, we'll find out, huh? Yeah. Oh, no, that's a good looking fish, man. Can you maybe net that guy if he's over there by you? Oh, wait, here he comes. No, dude, that thing's got some... He's got some shoulders. For sure, that guy was fat. That thing was fat. Yeah. Woo, woo. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. As long as they're we can keep hatchery, right?
yeah, the thing is, there's no hatchery on this river.
I remember hearing that.
They're all going to be native.
Yeah. So like, what only thing you can keep here is a king?
Yep. 1 a year.
Really?
And I mean, dude, I don't ever know what to do. I don't know if I should bring people in. Oh, look out, he's going to bust you on that rock.
Yeah. We got him. He's looking all right.
He's all right. No, dude, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I wait till the season's the season.
Yeah, for sure.
I caught like 14 of these rock
Yep.
spots.
They didn't put the rules in place for no reason, you know.
Well,
Here we go.
what's annoying, right, is that they're keeping them in the ocean.
Yep. Beautiful. Oh man.
That's a really nice one.
Fucking sweat. Yeah, thanks, brother. So,
That's a hog.
is that a silver?
That's my friend.
Yeah, right. Is that a silver for sure? It's got a black mouth.
I tell you what,
That's a king.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No, that's a hog silver. Buddy.
Really? Oh man.
Hog silver.
Oh, I'm keeping his ass. He's bleeding.
That was a 12, huh? Anyhow?
What, this line?
No, the fish.
Dude.